Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to solve error in Windows 11 or Windows 10. To fix this error, open the browser, search for DirectX Runtime library. From the search result, open the first link. From this drop-down menu, select your preferred language. In my case, I select English. Click on download. After finishing the download, go to the downloaded folder, double click on it, click on yes, select I accept the agreement, click on next. I don't need to install Bing bar, so uncheck this option. Before clicking on the next, make sure you are connected with the internet. Click on next, click on next, click on finish. Now restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and take care.